So scholars, I know that many of you guys are like so excited for math today, but we're gonna do a quick little routine, lock it up and grow. We're gonna do a quick little routine. So this routine is called closest to. So we're going to decide if 5/8 is closest to 0 or 1 whole, okay? And how do you know? What can we do to figure out what this number is closest to? All eyes tracking Josiah.
You could make a number line that goes 0 to 1 whole.
Excellent. So we can make our number line. And how should we label this number line? What can we do to label this number line? Nevaeh. Okay, so we could write 0 here. Louder.
And at the end, you can write 1.
Okay, we can write 1. Why are we labeling our number line this way? Why? All eyes tracking Anne-Marie.
Because we're labeling our number line this way because 2/8 is a fraction, and we know that when we're dealing with a fraction, we have 0 and 1, or 1 and 2.
Okay, so we know that this fraction has to be between this, but what fraction, who can remind us, what fraction are we seeing, what fraction are we looking at right now? Cherish.
6.
Why do you disagree, Kaden?
It's supposed to be 5/8.
5/8, excellent. So we're trying to figure out where 5/8 is. Is it closer to 0 or 1 whole? What should we do to help us figure this out? What should we do? All eyes tracking Jamal. Okay, so who can start us all over? I don't know anything about fractions. What should we do with this number line? All eyes tracking Mariella.
Cut it into 8.
Why? Why should we cut it into 8?
Because we're cutting it into 8 because the fraction number that we're dealing with is 5/8. So that means that the whole number line has to be cut into 8 and not just 5/8 on the number.
What would you like to add on? All eyes tracking Alex.
I'd like to add on also that what she means is that the denominator is 8. So that's how many pieces make the whole.
Ooh, who can remind us of what Alex just said? Because that was a great point. What did Alex just say, Jada? All eyes tracking Jada.
What he just said is that there is 8 in the denominator, which means that we have to cut the number line into 8 pieces.
Woo! One, get ready. All right, now that we have that, how should we split this? What should we do first to make sure that we properly do this? All eyes tracking Nevaeh. Ooh, so Nevaeh said we should come to the middle. Middle we have right here, and we're gonna put 4/8. Now what should we do? All eyes tracking Terrell. Louder.
Because in math, we know 4 plus 1 equals 5. So after you put 4/8, you should put 5 out of 8.
What do you guys think about that? All eyes tracking Jada.
I think we should put 2/8 in the middle of 0 and 4/8.
So Jada said we should split this in half and write 2/8. Is there anything else we should do? Nevaeh. Louder.
Then you should put 1/8 in the middle of 0 and 2.
Anything else? Are we done with this side yet?
No.
What should we do next? Cherish.
Next there, you should put 3/8.
Where? Be specific. Be precise.
You should put 3/8 between the 2/8 and the 4/8.
So I should put it right here, right?
No.
Who can be specific? Be precise. Where should we place the 3/8? Sienna. All eyes tracking Sienna.
You should put it in the middle of the 2/8 and the 4/8.
Ooh, excellent. Love how you were so precise just now. Are we done labeling our number line? What should we do next, Josiah? All eyes tracking Josiah.
After 4/8, you could say after 4/8 you could put another. You could label 5/8.
What do you guys think about that? Brielle, all eyes tracking Brielle.
Well, I think you in the middle of 4/8
counting by ones on the number line and plus 2.
Who can be precise? Are we counting by ones on this number line? What are we counting by, Jada?
Counting by 1/8.
1/8. Excellent. So great point, but make sure you're precise. So what should we do next? All eyes tracking Gabby.
You should put in the middle of 4 8s and 6 8s, 5 8s.
Okay, so we know where 5/8 is now. Are we done? What should we do next? Jamel, all eyes tracking Jamel.
In the middle of 6 8s and 1 hole, you should put 7.
7/8. Anything else? Did we label this entire line yet? Anne-Marie, why are we putting 8/8 underneath 1, Anne-Marie?
Because you know that 8, when the numerator and the denominator.
Louder. Talk to your friends.
We know that when the numerator and the denominator numbers are the same, it equals 1 whole.
What did Anne-Marie just say? Because this is something that's very, very important. Repeat it, Manny. All eyes tracking Manny.
When the numerators and the denominators are the same, they should 1 whole.
Oh, so when these two numbers are the same, it equals what, class?
1 whole.
All your bodies. Now, do we have everything on this number line that we need to figure out if 5/8 is closer to 0 or 1 whole? All right. What should we do? Help us out. Jada. All eyes tracking Jada.
Now that we know where 5/8 is, we could add 3/8.
Wait, do we know where 5/8 is? Did we label it on the line? Did we put a? What can we do to make sure that we know exactly where it is? Elijah.
We can put a mark or something next to it.
Ooh, we could put a mark right here. Now we're all set. What should we do now? Lachey, all eyes tracking Lachey.
We should do 5. We can make a jump all the way to 1 whole and say that
How many jumps are we making?
3.
Let's do it.
1, 2, 3.
So, really quickly, one, get ready. Get what you need. How many jumps did we just do, Lachey?
3.
So, should we put 3 right here? What do you guys think? How far away is 5/8 to 1? Chloe, all eyes tracking Chloe. Why? How do you know that?
Because 5 is 8.
So why can't we just write 3? Who can tell us why can't we write 3? Elijah.
We can't write 3 because if it was 3, then it would be 3 holes, and it's not even close to a hole. Well, it's close, but not close to 3 holes.
Wanna get ready? So now that we figured out it's 3/8 away from 1, are we done? What should we do next, Sienna?
We should see how many jumps is it if it's closer to 0, and there is 5 more jumps.
Let's do it.
5 more.
Well, let's count.
1 8, 2 8, 3 8, 4 8, 5 8.
So how far is it away from 0? Cherish.
5 8.
5/8. So is 5/8 closer to 0 or 1? One, get ready. I'm gonna call on somebody. Darren. How do you know that?
Because we're finding out which one is closer, so the lesser the fraction, the closer it is.
One, get ready. What do you guys think about that? The lesser the fraction, the closer it is. Explain this idea, Josiah. All eyes tracking Josiah.
I agree with Darren because it was 5/8 and we were figuring out which one it was closer to. So it was 3/8 away to 1 whole, and 5/8 is 5/8 away from 0, and we had to do more jumps than we did to get to 1 whole to 0.
What do you got? Last thought before we move on. All eyes tracking Jada.
Also because the denominators are the same, which is 8. So when the denominators are the same, we have to look at the numerators, and in this case, the numerator the fraction with the less number, which is 3/8, it would be closer to 1 whole instead of 0.
Well, get ready. So I love it how many of you guys use our number line to prove our answer, right or wrong. So is 5/8, let's just get this one more time. Is 5/8 closer to 0 or 1 whole? Anne-Marie.
I think it's closer to 1/8.
One, get ready. Why do you disagree, Kaden?
I think it's close to 0 because when the numerators are different, you should look at the denominator, and the denominator that's bigger is the bigger fraction. So I think that the 5/8 is closer to 0.
Why do you disagree with that idea, Nevaeh? All eyes tracking Nevaeh.
I disagree with that idea because in this case, the denominator are the same numbers, and 5 is more than 3, so 5/8 is closer to 1.
One, get ready. So I love how you use this number line. When you guys have fractions and you're trying to figure out if a number is closer to one number or the other number, this is a good strategy to use to help you figure out. Remember, drawing models helps us make a mind movie. When you guys go back to your seats, you guys need to make sure that you're labeling your number line and you're using it as a resource to help you figure out what the number is closest to. One, get ready. You guys are now going to go back to your seat and answer questions for today's math mastery.